eCoverly review. Hey everyone, welcome back to Click to Rich. It's your host Robbie, and today we've got something really special to talk about. We're diving into the world of e-covers, and I've got my hands on something game-changing. Get ready for the eCoverly review and AMP demo. Now before we jump in, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on reviews of cutting-edge tools like this. All right, let's get started. All right, folks, let's talk about eCoverly, the world's #1 e-cover creator with AI. This is a game changer for anyone looking to give their digital products a stunning visual edge. With eCoverly, you can create jaw-dropping 3D animated e-covers in just 5 minutes. That's right. You heard me correctly, 5 minutes. Imagine the impact this can have on your sales and downloads. We're talking a potential increase of up to 451%. That's not just a number, that's a game changer for your business. But you know what they say? Seeing is believing. So I've got a demo video lined up for you guys. This will give you an in-depth look at how eCoverly works its magic. And trust me, you're going to be blown away. Before we roll the demo, I want to encourage you to check out the link in the description. That'll take you straight to the official website, where you can learn more about eCoverly and get your hands on this incredible tool. All right, let's dive into that demo video.
eCoverly is the world's first animated e-cover creator. This is absolutely revolutionary. You can create different types of e-covers for all your projects, your lead magnets, your ebooks, your reports, your digital products, and so much more. Let me show you how to go ahead and use this. There are just so many different types of themes and templates inside of the software. First, I'm going to go ahead and pick an animated e-cover, and there are endless different design templates across loads of different niches. Let me scroll down and show you some of these designs.
2 hours later.
Let's go ahead and pick this smoothie one. Let's go ahead and select this book. Everything is editable. You can edit the text, the images, add more text, add more images from the library. Let me go ahead and change this text. Let me change it to healthy juices. Hit apply. I don't like that font, so let me change it to something else. Oh, that's much better. Let's shrink that. You can upload images, you can add clip art, you can change the background colors, you can add and switch designs around. You can also rotate like so. I'm going to go ahead and render and export this out. And here you have it, an incredible e-cover that you've never seen before. Fully animated, immersive, dynamic, beautiful, stunning, and engaging. The world is going to go crazy. So easy to use, and I did this within just a couple of minutes. Go ahead and grab eCoverly right away and start creating incredible animated e-covers, as well as normal, static, traditional e-covers that the world has never seen before. Beautiful designs, absolutely immaculate. Pixel perfect graphics and designs ready to boost your conversions and your sales.